Apple is reportedly testing two folding iPhones. According to Economic Daily News, Apple has a couple of folding iPhone prototypes moving their way through development. Hello and welcome to DoomTec Store. Today we have a very interesting news from Apple company. Apple is reportedly testing two folding iPhones. According to Economic Daily News, Apple is actually developing two new devices. One of the devices reportedly has a dual screen design that comes together to form a single screen, while the other opens vertically like Galaxy Z Flip. The report says that Apple is testing both models at its Foxconn factory in Shenzhen. They are testing the durability of the hinge, which is a big problem in the folding phone. The hinge has been something of a pain point in early foldable phones, with Samsung delaying the launch of the original Galaxy Fold due to reliable issues with the hinge. It's likely that these iPhone prototypes in the picture above will look very likely to the final product. Folding phones could be as transformative as the first smartphones, but someone has to get them right, and Apple could be the very first company to do so, because other companies face a lot of problems with the hinge. There are a lot of issues with the folding phone. For example, early issues like the gap when closed, lack of durability, and many other problems. If Apple could deal with these problems and make a new evolutionary folding phone, it can be a great news for everyone. Let's talk about the pictures which are released from Apple patent. So let's talk about Apple patent that was released. I know this patent of Apple might look confusing. From my research and understanding, this Apple patent might mean that Apple is considering a two-screen device with a non-display hinge in the middle, something similar to Microsoft Surface 2. So we reached the end of this video. Thank you for sticking by and watching this video till the end. Have a great day.